How to use Genius loyalty program on Booking.com. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. To utilize the Booking.com Genius program, you'll first simply create a free Booking.com account. I've already made a video on how you can create the account. It's pretty simple. Then you'll automatically be enrolled in Genius Level 1. So you can see I'm Genius Level 1 currently, as it shows right away here on screen. Now, this Genius Level 1, you'll automatically be enrolled, which offers a 10% discount on selected stays and rental cars. To unlock higher levels 2 and 3 with greater benefits, you need to complete a certain number of bookings within a 2-year period. So it's pretty simple. Genius properties are clearly marked with the blue Genius label on Booking.com website. So you can see it says Genius here, which means I'll be able to get the 12% discount here. It is applied currently on this. Similarly, if I look in for others, I can see 10% discount here. So I can proceed to make the booking on this particular hotel with a discount. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.